Good day everyone! Welcome to Squad Weekly Interactive Meeting. This is Pastor Shadrach Escalona from My Brother's Keeper. Today, we will talk about morality, the police ethical standard. And morality, this is very important to each one of us, especially you as a police officer. PNP member shall adhere to high standard of morality and decency and shall set good example for others to follow. They shall be faithful to their lawful wedded spouses. Mom and sir, we always hear this, that each one of us, we have to adhere to high standard of morality, that we have to set a good example for other people. Because many people who always watch, tinitingnan po kayo ng ating mga kababayan, especially po sa community, especially po sa opisina, kahit saan po kayo pumunta, ang mga tao ay talagang nakatingin. So, we have to adhere the high standard of morality. We have to watch out, especially sa ating mga sarili. Tanong ko po, ma'am and sir, what are the qualities of the ideal police officer? Maybe you have answered that in your mind. Kung ano po yung mga ideal police officer. And why do we need to possess those qualities? Bakit natin kailangan yun to possess? Bakit kailangan natin yun makikita sa ating mga buhay bilang isang police officer? In 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 2 to 4, I would like to read this and we can get principle from this verse from the Bible. So I would like to read for you. So a leader must be a man whose life is above reproach. He must be faithful to his wife. He must exercise self-control, live wisely, and have a good reputation. He must not be heavy drinker or be violent. He must be gentle, not quarrelsome, and not love money. He manages his own family well, having children who respect and obey him. We can see here the reminders and the principles from this verse. What can we do to uphold the high standard of morality and decency? As a police officer, guard your reputation. As a PNP personnel, you have always to watch out of yourself, not only to the organization, not only to the community, not only to your compliances, but also to your own self. You have to watch out. You have to guard yourself that we can have a good reputation. In Proverbs chapter 22 verse 1, a good name is to be chosen rather than great riches. Loving favor rather than silver and gold. Ma'am and sir, marami ngayon talagang they fall into corruption. It's because they choose money compared to their reputation. It is very important to watch out for our own self. Not only the reputation of the organization, not only the reputation of our country, but the reputation of yourself and also the reputation of your family. What can we do to uphold the high standard of morality and decency? Set a good example for others to follow. Napakaganda ito, ma'am and sir. Bakit po? We can have the accountability, especially sa ating sarili. You will be a good example, especially inside the home, sa inyong bahay, na maging good example po kayo sa inyong sariling mga anak. You can be a good example to your colleagues, sa mga kasamahan niyo pong pulis. You can be a good example kasi alam ng mga kapitbahay niyo po na kayo ay isang pulis. Set a good example for them. Kasi po, yung bawat isa nakatingin po sa atin. Especially po, ma'am and sir, yung mga anak niyo po, tinitingnan po kayo niyan. So, be a good example for other people. Napakaganda po na tayo po ay isang model. In Ephesians chapter 5, verse 3 to 4, let there be no sexual immorality, impurity, or greed among you. Such sin have no place among God's people. Obscene story, foolish talk, and coarse jokes, these are not for you. Instead, let there be thankfulness to God. Napakagandang reminders po. Especially, marami ngayong mga tao, they fall into sin in sexual immorality. Lagi nating bantayan po, sir. Ma'am and sir, yung temptation talagang nandyan lang po sa ating paligid. We have to watch out of ourselves in our actions, in our daily life. We have to be good example. Even the words that comes out from our mouth, we have to be a good example. It's because you are a leader. You are a leader in your house. You are a leader in your office. You are a leader in the community. So set example. What can we do to uphold high standard of morality and decency? Be faithful to our spouse and family. Napakaganda po that the Squad Weekly Interactive Meeting focuses on God-centered life, service-oriented, and family-based. Nakikita po natin dito that be faithful to our spouse and family. That's family-based. Our priority is your family. We want to help you, each one of you, that we can have a strong bond, the relationship of the family. So, mom and sir, you have to be faithful. In Proverbs chapter 5, verse 15, drink water from your own well. Share your love only with your wife. Why spill the water of your spring in the streets? Having sex with just anyone? You should reserve it for yourself. Never share it with strangers. Talagang napakatindi po yung reminders dito sa book of Proverbs. That we have to reserve our own self sa sarili nating mga asawa. In Proverbs chapter 5, verse 15, drink water from your own well. Share your love only with your wife. Huwag nating pabayaan po that the temptation will destroy our life. Marami pong pamilya na nasira. Sino po yung kawawa? Yung mga anak. This is a good reminder to each one of us that we have to be faithful to our spouse and family. Huwag natin labanan yung temptation. Takasan po natin yung temptation. We have to run away. Hindi natin kaya labanan yung temptation. We have to stand in a good foundation. What's that? We have to be faithful to your own family. What can we do to uphold high standard? In Proverbs chapter 24, verse 3 and 4, a good home is built by wisdom and becomes strong through good sense. Through knowledge, its rooms are filled with all sorts of precious riches and valuable. Lagi nating tandaan, sir, bigyan natin value ang ating pamilya. The value that you cannot compare to riches of this world. We have to protect, preserve our family. Bilang isang leader ng isang tahanan, you have to preserve your family. Protect your family. Alam niyo po, napakahirap to maintain the standard of this world. Napakahirap iabutin yung standard ng mundo. And no one in this world that able to reach that standard. But there is somebody who came from heaven, pupunta sa mundo natin, that He is the one who lived a perfect life. That He is the one who lived a perfect standard of morality. And that's the Lord Jesus Christ. and what we can do in our life. We have to believe on Him, the Lord Jesus Christ, that is the only one that makes us perfect standard in our life. In our daily life, He is the one who can help us to perform that high standard, to adhere the high standard of morality. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.